Hi everybody, welcome back to E3D Designs. Today we're going to install Bondtech BMG Extruders into our DaVinci. Let's get started. Alright, so I know in my instructions I posted on Thingiverse I showed using a cheap eBay extruder. You can always go with that, they will work just fine. I wanted to go with something a little better in this video, so I decided to try the new Bondtech BMG Extruders, see how well those work for me. Now I picked mine up through printed solid. Good thing about them is they come in a right and left-handed, and we will need one of each. And since we're going with a Bowden extruder, we're also going to need that E3D groove mount Bowden coupling, so I got two of those as well. Now I opened up my package and I went to the nice little website www.bondtech.se/docs, and unfortunately this is the page that came up. I'm not sure if they're changing their instructions or what's going on, but at the moment link is broken. So I went to their products page, found my BMG extruder, went to installation guide, clicked on assembly instructions, and I got a minute and 36-second video on how to install your Bondtech BMG extruder. Needless to say, they show you how to install it onto an E3D V6 Hotend direct mount. Doesn't really do us much good. So, gonna have to figure this out on our own. One other thing I did do while I was in here, I went ahead and went to their FAQs page and scrolled on. They got all this nice little info in here. The one thing we will need later on down the line is what do we need to set the E-steps at for a good starting point, at least until we calibrate. Go through here and it tells you for the Bondtech BMG we're going to do an E-step value of 415. So we'll come back to this at a later time. Now, one other thing that I want to note is, and we'll come back to this, when you open up your packaging there's a little tiny baggie that's got your hob gear in it for your stepper motor. There's a little sticker on the outside. It's a very important sticker. It tells you which way to put that hob gear on. And it kind of seems backward from what I thought it would be, but they want it with the beveled edge out at the top and the set screw up at the top. And it looks like you want it set just above that lip on your stepper motor. Alright, so for this part of the upgrade we're going to need one of our Bondtech BMG extruders. I've already installed the left hand one, so we're going to install the right hand one today. You'll need one of your original stepper motors from your extruders, the small Allen key from your E3D setup, and some sort of pulley puller. This is actually a bicycle chain breaker, and it seems to work perfect for removing these gears off of your original DaVinci stepper motors. Now inside the box we've got our little instruction manual. Not really, just a little pamphlet. There's the website directing you to the broken link for the documents. Hopefully they fix that. Here is your hob gear and spring tensioner. And there's that little picture I was telling you about. Shows you how to install the hob gear. I went ahead, this doesn't normally come in the package, I just went and threw them in there when I got them at E3D. There is our E3D groove mount adapter. You get a cool little sticker from Bondtech. And our extruder. Pretty straightforward. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our E3D mount adapter in. So very careful, we're going to turn it upside down. Slide this top piece off. Drop our groove mount in. Put that back together. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to open up this packet. And we're going to go ahead and install our spring tensioner. It just threads right through this little hole right here into a brass fitting. couple turns, just get it on there nice. That takes care of that. Now we need to take this old gear off of our stepper. I'm just gonna put this in here like this, and you just keep tightening it until it pops that loose. Voila! Now we'll install our new hob gear. It says to have it doubled end up and just above that ring there. That looks pretty close. And there we go. Now we're ready to put this into the printer. Alright, so to get your stepper motor in here, takes a little bit of finagling. You're gonna have to take it, set it down, lay it over, slide it in, tip it up over a screw that's back here, and then you can stand it back upright inside. Back in there, tilt it up over that screw, like that, and then stand it up. Now we'll be able to lift it up and pull it up into place like this and mount the extruder onto it. Now let's spin this around for a closer look. Alright, now you will also need a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench for putting this in place. So we're gonna lift this up in place and get our screw holes lined up. And it's pretty much as simple as just setting this down in place and tightening up our screws. Alright, just get all of them started. I'm gonna go back and tighten them all up nice and neat. And our Bondtech BMG extruders are installed. All we have to do now is hook up the wiring. Alright, so you should still have two really long wire harnesses. These are the original harnesses that went to your steppers when you were mounted out on the hot end carriage. One's labeled motor E, the other is labeled motor E2. We're going to go ahead and take the harness for motor E. Going to feed it in through this hole at the bottom. Take the same route all the rest of our wiring took up to the hot end cable chain. Run it across right here and plug it into your left stepper. Now we're going to do the same thing with E2. Plug it in. Now, I recommend pulling this across nice like this. Put a zip tie on it, keep your wiring neat. And then we're going to take all this down here. And bundle it up a little neater. And then we'll clean this up more once we finish up all the wiring here in the back and start putting on back panels. And that's installing BMG extruders in our DaVinci. Alright, so that wraps up installing our Bondtech BMG extruders in our DaVinci. Remember, if you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more, ring that bell for updates. If you want to help support the channel, there's a wishlist link and a PayPal me link in the description below. And remember, if it ain't broke, upgrade it. We'll see you next time.